Here we have two letters from the Michael Faraday correspondence collection, and these are from Charles Dickens, the great Victorian novelist. In these letters, Charles Dickens is asking Michael Faraday if he could borrow his lecture notes on the chemical history of a candle, which was the lecture he gave at the Royal Institution in 1848. Charles Dickens is a big fan of Michael Faraday and would like to publish his works in his Household Words magazine. At the end of this letter, Dickens writes, "Pray let me add, as one who has long respected you and strongly felt the obligation society owes to you, that the day on which I took the liberty of writing to you will always be a memorable day in my calendar." This is a wonderful example of two big Victorian names, one from the literature side and one from the science, corresponding with each other.